Hey everybody, it's Clayton here from Zappos.com, and today we're talking about the Chuck Taylor All Star Speckled Americana Hi from Converse Kids. So as you can see, this snazzy sneaker features that high top silhouette with the durable canvas material that Converse always uses. Check out how cool this is, you guys. Look at that speckled design in the midsole and on the toe cap. I love that. Really cool colorways. Don't forget to check out the other one as well. Around to this side, on the medial side, we've got this super cool woven Chuck Taylor All Star patch that this shoe always comes with, never fails, and it's also on the heel. Check it out. On the inside, that lining is super soft canvas, and down in the bottom, on the insole, got a nice amount of cushion, keep you walking comfy all day long. And all of that sits on top of that durable rubber outsole. So if you're looking to look fresh for the summer with an update to a classic shoe, pick these up. They're from Converse Kids.